All my life, I struggled with focus. That is until I found my morning routine. My morning routine helped me to prioritize what was important and focus my energy on those things I needed to get done. How do you regain focus? You first stop, breathe, gather your energy, go inside, realign with yourself, reconnect. This morning routine by Blue Osa will help to center and focus you to become your best self. When you are your best self, your tasks become easier and your life becomes effortless. When you are your best self, you become a bright light in the world, spreading joy and peace to those around you. Namaste.